Everyone. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find broken links using Screaming Frog. The process is quite simple and easy, so you can follow along. Step number one, choose the website that you want to crawl or where you want to find your broken links. For this example, I'm taking Instantly AI's blog. I'll simply start a crawl for this website. Yep. We have a partial crawl done. So more than 59% of the URLs were crawled. What you need to do is by default, you will be on this internal tab. You need to head over to the response codes tab. So click on it. And now this by default should show you a filter that contains all the URLs. You need to filter out the client error, that is 4xx errors. Once you click on it, you'll find a list of 404 and 403 status codes. You want to focus on the 404. So since this is a partial crawl, we have got close to 26 links. Sort them out by the 404s. So here you go. So these are the lists of all the 404 links on the blog section. Right. This is the first method where you can find the broken links. The second method is, again, by default, you have this overview tab. If you scroll down a bit under response codes, you can find the 4xx errors here too. So you click on this, and you should get the similar tab, right? Now that you have the 404 errors, the next step is to find out where these broken links are so that you can fix them. For that, what you need to do is click on an individual URL, head over to the inlinks tab, and this will show you the page where these broken links exist. Additionally, it will also show you the anchor text, so it's a bit easier for you to find out. So let us copy this URL. Right, and your anchor text, professional email addresses, find them on the page, and here you go. So this is a broken link, right? Here you go. So it's a 404. So either you can redirect this to the updated page or redirect it to a relevant page or completely remove this link. So this is the process that you can use to find out all the broken links. Head out to any URL, right? Again, same stuff. Head over to the links tab. Visit the page. Look in the anchor text. Here's the anchor text. And here you go. This is a 404. By using this method on Screaming Frog, you can find out list of all the 404 errors and either redirect them to a relevant page or remove the link to fix the 404s. Thank you.